and welcome to today's video. We're going to be unboxing our Look Fantastic beauty box. This is the eco-friendly edition. I'm pretty excited to see everything in here. I haven't unboxed a Look Fantastic beauty box in quite a bit on our channel, but they were kind enough to send this over my way. There is a link and a coupon code to save lots of money on the subscription if you are interested. Just check my description box down below. I'll try and also link it in the comment section below for y'all. If you guys are curious real quick about my eyeshadow, it's pretty simple, but I did use my Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral palette. I absolutely love this. I just used these two shades right here in the corner. I will link them down below. I think it's Tiki Hut and You Had Me at Yellow is these two shades. So they are, I believe, available for individual sale at Makeup Geek. Code HOTMESSMOMMAMD saves you 10% over there. So not sponsored, just letting y'all know before I forget. So anyways, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we unbox, we play in makeup, talk about makeup, do all the things, and at the end of the day we remember it's just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. We keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so a little information about the Look Fantastic beauty box. This particular box is $19. However, if you sign up for multiple subscriptions, you can get it as little as $16. Again, there is a coupon down in the description box below for y'all if you are interested. Now, this particular box, it has about $70 worth of goodies in here. A lot of the times we see like deluxe size samples. Sometimes there are full-size products in here as well. As far as the box goes, it is in a nice like re-giftable type of box. I always save these boxes when it comes from like glossy box, Look Fantastic, what have you. On the inside, we do have some writing. Be kind to the planet and it will be kind to you. Hashtag LF Beauty Box. So we do get a little magazine in here with lots of different information in here. It says Beauty Box Edit 06. It's our Eco Month. Discover, learn, and inspire. So there's a lot of different information in here from, you know, health tips, beauty tips, items I believe that are in the box as well. And sometimes there's even coupon codes. So yeah, and it tells you like what is in the box and everything as far as that goes. So when you get the box, this is what it looks like. It is in, you know, cutely like gifted to yourself tissue paper wrapped up. Oh, when we open it up, this is what it looks like. The first item I see here is the Gentle Facial Buffer. You can use it, wait, what is it, 100 times? Ooh. Oh my gosh, look. And it has like a little thing where you can like slip your hand in there. So I've never personally tried this, but I have these sitting right here. I love these. They're like the reusable, like when you do your facial toner or what have you. I love to use products like this. They're super easy. I honestly just throw mine right into the washer with my tiles, and I've never had an issue with products like this, so I'm sure this will be the same. Sorry for the noise. There's trucks driving past. So I don't see any prices on here, but again, the box is supposed to have a retail value of at least $70 in here. The next item in here, this is, oh, I love this brand. This is by Rituals. This is the Ritual of Jing Mild Body Scrub, and it has lotus and this is what it looks like. You all know when I start trying to enunciate things, I just because I tend to screw it up. So this is 2.3 fluid ounces, and oh, I love Rituals products. They smell so flipping good. I always get so excited when I see things like this in our subscriptions. It does look like it's like a creamy type of product. It says it's a body scrub, so it's not like a lotion or anything, so I'm not going to like test it out or anything, but mild body scrub, and it smells delicious, and it says relax on it. I'm getting thrown off. There's a lot of people in my house, and if y'all been with me for a while, you know I get in my own head. I'm queen of that. The next item in here is by Dr. Lip Tint 100% natural superfood red radish pigment. what? We've got to try this out. Now I've heard of this and I've seen it, but I've never gotten to try it. Why is it so hard to come out? Ooh, y'all. It's literally like a jelly. I don't smell anything. This is I mean, I don't think you're gonna need a lot of, oh, this is for the lips. Okay. So it really truly just kind of blends out, and it's just moisturizing, and it just maybe gives you like a tint of a kiss, which it does say tint. One of those days, y'all, my brain has done left me. But it's really nice, very nourishing and comfortable. And I mean, it kind of just rubbed away, but I don't mind things like this. This is nice to, like, no matter what, I told y'all, even if I don't have makeup on during the day, I always have balms I'm constantly applying to my lips. So love to have that. The next item is Philip Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. I like hair care products, y'all know, like my hair's been through the ringer, so I baby the heck out of it. So I'm always happy to see products such as this. By the way, if you've tried any of these products out that I'm unboxing, leave us your little reviews down in the comment section, because it is definitely very, very helpful for me, and I'm sure for all y'all out there as well. Okay, so we've got 2 more products in here. The next one is by ESPA or ESPA 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer, nourishing eye cream to hydrate and soften. And this is 0.2 fluid ounces. And y'all know when I get these little tubey tubes, Haley and I always like make sure they're full. This is full to the tippy top, like the whole doggone thing. So they didn't waste any space in here, which I love to see. So that is the next item in here for your eyes. And then we have, last but not least, Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleanser. This is 1.01 fluid ounces. These are great for like travel. I don't know about y'all, like granted I don't get to travel too much. We have some travel plans here and there, but I like to just kind of travel with these things. Haley has talked about it in the past over on her channel as well, where when we just kind of throw these little things in, and you don't have to worry about it, you know, you don't have to worry about getting through TSA or anything. So that is everything in this eco-friendly box. I love this. I'm most excited actually about these 2 products. So again, $16 you can get this box, or your first box, for as little as $16. Let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Now I have found that this box, it comes international, so it's not from around here, and I feel like for me, a lot of the brands that I see in this box are not typical brands that I see in my standard like United States subscriptions. Does anybody else feel that way? Maybe it's just me, maybe it's in my head, but some of the products are brands that I've not heard of before, which I do really like. I did notice if you do go to the LOOKFANTASTIC website, not only can you sign up for this, but it looks like you can kind of like, they have like a whole store and everything. They have everything like brands from A to Z. We see 111 skincare, and there's some other items in here as well, like some brands that I'm not familiar with. So if you have shopped the LOOKFANTASTIC website before, let us know down below some of your favorite brands that we need to check out. So anywho, that is all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will have my eyeshadow link down below if you guys are curious, as well as the link to sign up for the LOOKFANTASTIC subscription. Anyways, friends, don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size cover girl fashion hauls over there. My top is actually a bodysuit from Skims. They're sold at the Skims website as well as at Nordstrom's, and they're so comfortable. It's literally like you don't have anything on, but you still look cute and put together. I love it. Anyways, I'm also on Instagram and TikTok at HOTMESSMOMMA4. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.